Hi friends, we are just enjoying another phenomenal day here in the state of Florida. Cool, soft breezes, birds chirping. We're going to the beach later today. That's kind of what we do here. We call it lifestyle living because there's so much to do all the time. We call our business Lifestyle Real Estate. If you are contemplating purchasing a second home here along Florida's Central Gulf Coast, I can tell you there are still plenty of phenomenal bargains that quite honestly you won't believe. We got hit with the market pretty hard, and so we still have foreclosures and short sales that are going at phenomenal prices. So if you're contemplating purchasing a vacation home here, give us a call, contact us. We would love to spend a half a day or a day with you just showing you the different areas along Florida's Central Gulf Coast. My team works all the way from Hudson, Newport Richey, down to Tarpon Springs, Palm Harbor, Dunedin. We go down to Clearwater Beach, St. Pete Beach, Indian Rocks Beach, and we do also work areas of the Tampa Bay area in Hillsborough County. So just contact us, give us a call. We would love to take you out on the boat or drive you around in one of the golf carts so you can see what lifestyle real estate and what lifestyle living really is. Well, wherever you are at today, I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you next time.